Monday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, some nice precipitation fell across the plains over the weekend.
Yeah, Joe, we had a cutoff low that was meandering out to our west. And then as we saw here as it approached over the weekend, particularly on Saturday night leading up to Mother's Day and graduation, we saw rain really increase. That started moving in late in the day on Saturday to our south and west. It stayed mainly south and east of a line from Sharon Springs to Oakley, towards to Norton during that first round of rain into Mother's Day morning. And then as we got into the afternoon when the graduations were going on, we started to see the rumbles of thunder develop during graduation. And then it held off until afterwards, and then it started raining and thundering, and that continued into the evening before we saw a nice little break there before the sunset and finished off with a real pleasant evening for Mother's Day. Rain totals ranged anywhere from about 3/4 of an inch in Atwood northward to Liddell, to the state line along Highway 25. If you got to the west and northwest parts of the county, it was 1/4 to a 1/2 inch. And then when you got to the southwestern parts of the county, you saw anywhere from 2 to 2.5 inches. And the east and southeast was in the 1 to 1.5 range. So across the county, we saw varying rain totals from the lightest being up in the northwest at 1/4 to a 1/2 inch, and the heaviest being in the southwest to the 2 to 2.5. So out there this morning, we got that upper level low that's moving off to the east. It's now in south central Kansas, where we could see some rain showers here this morning, mainly east of a line from Gove to Norton. That low will slowly work its way across eastern Kansas this afternoon into Missouri overnight, and so goes with it the shower and thunderstorms. So we'll see temperatures this afternoon climb up there into the lower 70s as the sun comes out, and those northeasterly winds will be a bit breezy at 15 to 25 miles per hour, but that really doesn't have much effect on the warm-up. Tonight, those winds will diminish. Lows will drop into the upper 40s. Then tomorrow, they'll turn to a south-southeasterly direction at 10 to 20 miles per hour. That'll recharge the atmosphere. Highs will climb up there into the upper 70s. Then we got another low pressure and trough that'll be developing out to the west. That'll start to bring a round of shower and thunderstorm activity through tomorrow evening into the overnight hours. And then again, as that trough moves through on Wednesday night, into Thursday, we'll see another round there late in the day Wednesday during the overnight hours. And these storm systems look like at best there could be some marginal thunderstorm or severe weather on the Wednesday activity. Tuesday's probably not severe and more scattered. And then that Wednesday into Thursday morning stuff could have some excessive rainfall, especially in those areas that saw the rain with this weekend system. And then temperature-wise, we'll be a little bit cooler there on Wednesday, Thursday. Lower 70s for highs. Overnight lows are still around that 50. And then as we head toward Rod Run weekend, high pressure will build in. That'll bring temperatures up into the upper 70s for Friday, into the 80 to 85 degree range for Rod Run weekend there on Saturday and Sunday. The chances for thunderstorms don't look like they'll return till Monday. So Rod Run weekend is looking like it's going to be a warm one. Temperatures in the 80s and a southwesterly breeze at 15 to 25 miles per hour.
Once again, that's meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather in Atwood. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.